Each and every business is online today. Maybe they are selling on e-commerce websites or using WhatsApp and social media to get more sales or keep their customers updated. And I am guessing even you have started digital marketing for your business. But there might be a chance that your digital marketing efforts are not giving you the expected results. So today, I am here to give you 6 important tips on digital marketing which we at IIDE believe and implement. Hi, my name is Jay Dattani and let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is get your basic strategies right. When it comes to digital marketing, these 3 basic things are very important. Number 1, have a fast loading and secure website. Because almost 70% of the users leave your website if it doesn't load within 3 to 4 seconds. And while you make it fast, also ensure that it's visually appealing and mobile responsive. By mobile responsive website, I mean your website should be easily be able to change its view depending upon the device it is being viewed on. At the same time, it should not miss on any of its functionality. Number 2, you need to understand where your target audience is and where they hang out online. If you are a B2B firm, your target audience will be senior authorities of companies. So they mostly are active on LinkedIn and emails. Number 3, online presence beyond your website. It's very important for you to have an online presence beyond your website. There are various ways in which you can have an online presence. It can be creating a social media account or posting content around your niche or just opening an online store for all your products and services. Our next tip for today's video is become familiar with the IIDE model. Any form of marketing, irrespective of the industry, should be planned with the help of IIDE model. Every customer goes through various stages during the buying process, and each of the stages are explained in the IIDE model. It starts when a customer is made aware of a product or a brand. This is the awareness stage. And after a while, when the person is interested in that product or a brand, he moves towards the interest stage. After which, when the customer has a desire to buy that product or services, he moves towards the desire stage. And finally, when he takes action to buy that individual product, he is in the action stage. By the way, this reminds me of a recent incident. So it's a story time for you. A few days back, I was scrolling through Instagram and came across a reel by an influencer, which was talking about earphones. And it got me really interested into the earphones. So I was in the awareness stage for this earphones. Since I really liked the earphones, I quickly checked the account which was tagged in that reel. It was the brand's account which was selling that earphones. And this got me into the interest stage for these earphones and that brand. After exploring little more, I found all the features of that earphones really interesting. And the best part was, it was also in my budget. So I just quickly added the earphones in my cart and this got me to the desire stage. But then I got busy with some work and forgot the earphones in my cart. But a couple of days later, I received an email from that brand giving me a discount coupon for being the new customer. And I quickly purchased the earphones and this got me into the action stage. Just like me, all the customers go through this buying process. Even the customers you are dealing with. So you need to keep in mind the IIDE model while designing the marketing strategies for your brand. You have to decide that whether you want to create awareness by influencer marketing or send discount coupons to people who are on the desire stage. Optimize for near me searches. Millions of people around the world search for products and services on Google using the near me search every day. For example, restaurants near me, petrol pumps near me, or salons near me. And the search results shown on the top of Google are from Google My Business or listing platforms like Just Dial or IndiaMart. So you need to be on such local listing platforms for your local customers to discover about your business. Google My Business is common for all the businesses. But depending on your business, you can choose other listing platforms. For example, lawyers have their own law directories. By the way, we have made another video on digital marketing for law firms. So if you think you are interested in that video, do check it out and also share it with your lawyer friends. You should update your profile on such listing platforms regularly by adding videos, photos, and getting reviews and star ratings from your customers. You can add photos of your office, employees, or products depending upon the nature of your business. Adding keywords related to your business is also important to rank higher on such listing platforms. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, do hit the like button so it can reach other digital marketers like you. Combine SEO and content marketing. Back when SEO was new, keyword stuffing on each piece of content on your website was your way to rank higher on Google. But today, everything is about original and engaging content. Even search engines like Google rank websites and content that is highly engaging and useful to all the viewers. So your approach should be creating excellent content that people find useful, and when it comes to SEO, use the right strategies that are required for your business. Strategies like doing keyword research, targeting low competition keywords, and using the relevant keywords right number of time in your piece of content should be implemented. Combining your SEO and content efforts will help you grow your audience base, which is very crucial for your other marketing activities. Make the buyer's journey smooth. Put yourself in your potential customer's shoes. Understand the entire journey of right from how they discover about your brand, how they behave on your website, to how they finally make a purchase through your online store or your website. When it comes to buyer's analysis, you also need to understand how a user behaves when he or she comes to your website or your application. You have to track each step a visitor takes throughout your websites. Pages he or she may have visited, pages they are spending more time on, and also the pages that may have caused them to leave your website. Use tools like Google Analytics to track such kind of activities on your website, and you will have enough data to make changes in your website. You can use this data to tailor the digital marketing strategy for your potential customers and smoothen the buying process for all your customers. By the way, if you enjoy such tips and strategies around digital marketing, do subscribe to our channel as we regularly post content around the same. Be friends with tools. Getting expected results from digital marketing can be a tough task if you don't use tools to automate and understand the marketing process. Imagine having to send thousands of email every day manually, or imagine having to process each and every detail of every single order you receive manually in your system. So you have to use tools that will help you automate and speed up the entire process of your marketing communication. You can set up chatbots or WhatsApp auto replies to handle the inquiries you get from your potential customers. You can use tools like Google Ads remarketing or MailChimp to remarket the products and services to people who are already interested in your business. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg, but there are way more tools. So if you want a detailed video on the same, do let us know in the comments below. These are some of the tips which we would recommend. But the pro tip will be keep evolving and innovating with the changing trends in digital marketing. Till then, do hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content.